We are here at 104 Ridge Road, Lake Mary, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Single family pool home. Do a quick pan of the neighborhood. Please excuse the couch that's sitting in the front yard. That is being removed shortly. Do a quick walk around the outside of the property. Very large lot, partially fenced. You notice the shed here in the back. Even with the pool, even with the in-ground pool, we got plenty of yard at this property. Does have sprinklers. Okay, let's go on inside. Okay, when you first walk in the door, you're going to notice your formal living area immediately in front of you. You're going to have a formal dining room immediately to your right. Off to the far right will be your family room and kitchen. To your immediate left is going to be your master bedroom. Then this is a split plan, so your second and third bedroom and guest bath is on the opposite side of the house from the master bathroom. You'll notice these are vaulted ceilings. Here's our entrance where we came in. Dining room area. Sliders out to the pool. We'll finish up in the backyard. And let's begin in the master bedroom. Very spacious master bedroom. Sliders out to the pool area. Walk-in closet. Double sinks, garden tub, and stand-up shower. In case you're wondering, commode tucked away over here in the corner. Back out into the master bedroom, into the formal living room area. And now we're going to make our way into the family room. It is a functioning fireplace. You notice there are sliders here to your left that go up again to the pool area. And this family room is right off of the kitchen. In your kitchen you got ceramic tile, stainless steel appliances, Backsplash, into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has a standard closet. Go into bedroom number 3. Guest bathroom area. Full shower and tub. Okay, back out to the family room. Make your way through the kitchen. And here is your indoor under heat and air utility room, which then goes directly out to your 2-car garage door opener and attic access. Top of the garage. Notice your hot water heater, your drain heating and AC system. Okay, now let's get to the backyard area of the property. To the sliders here in the formal living area. Okay, large pool deck, partially covered. We're under the covered area right now. Really nice pool for entertaining. Good size. And that concludes our video walkthrough tour of 104 Ridge Road, Lake Mary, Florida, brought to you by Legends Realty. Thank you very much. Have a great day.